In a not-too-distant future, the world is bustling with robots, neural networks, and digital brains defining artificial intelligence. Self-driving vehicles navigate traffic, while robotic arms in factories work with precision surpassing human capability. In sleek corporate offices, virtual assistants engage with employees, organizing schedules and facilitating communications efficiently, complementing human efforts. Skyscrapers reflect the prosperity AI brings to sectors thriving alongside AI, enhancing productivity and creativity. A designer sits at their workstation, utilizing AI tools to generate complex design simulations, allowing for innovative approaches and artistic expression once impossible. In a manufacturing plant, workers collaborate with robotic arms to assemble products rapidly. Workers' roles transform to technologist-like tasks, synchronizing efforts with machines in harmony. Yet, unease arises as office workers watch AI tools taking on tasks that once required their expertise, whispering about job security. Factory workers replaced by agile robotic arms convey a poignant sense of loss. Individuals in varied professions, office employees immersed in AI interactions, factory workers fearing replacement, and designers exhilarated by possibilities, illustrate differing emotions AI evokes. For some, technological advancements symbolize progress and unlimited potential. For others, they are harbingers of unsettling change, where intelligent machines' encroachment seems inevitable. The landscape morphs into an arena where prosperity and fear coexist. The world navigates the complex terrain of AI integration. The age of artificial intelligence offers not just advancement, but reflection on societal impacts. Who will thrive and who will struggle in this new digital dawn?